Hi everyone, here's the quick tip of the day. Wallpaper. You can get wallpaper just about everywhere. You can buy it at the store, but I often get it at garage sales. You get leftover pieces like this, or even this. And what you do is you take a brush, paint your wallpaper, and press. It makes a great stamp. And let's try this one. Oh, I put a little too much paint. You have to be careful how much paint you put. Here you go. See where I put too much paint? It painted too much. Often I like the second draft better than I like the first. And even, let's try this one. You just rub the surface like this. And let's try it up here. This is a great way to add texture and interest in your painting. So that's the quick tip of the day. We'll see you in the next video.